Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by fitting compatible hardware, a heavy needle and a small, guided bobbin. Thread metallic Zari onto a spool cap and use a thread net so it feeds smoothly. This reduces tangles. Once wound, trim the thread tail to about 6-8 cm so it'll seat through tension discs without slipping. Now route the thread through the machine's upper path slowly, making sure it follows each guide. You're preventing friction and breakage from the start. You need to balance tension and movement. Metallic threads require looser upper tension to avoid shredding, so lower it a notch or two. Once done, replace the needle with a fresh metallic compatible one and increase stitch length to about 2.5 mm. This prevents repeated needle punctures that cut the Zari. Make sure to use a walking foot or slow feed speed so the fabric and thread move evenly. Then test on scrap. You finish by anchoring stitches with a short backstitch and trimming tails close. This prevents catching metallic fibers later. Once done, run a few stitches on scrap to confirm tension and appearance, then sew your project at a steady, moderate speed. Make sure to clean lint from tension discs and bobbin case frequently. Metallic fibers build up fast. If you experience frequent breaks, check that the needle isn't burr-ed, loosen upper tension slightly, and apply a tiny drop of thread lubricant. This usually solves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.